B.Sc Business Administration is an 8-semester course. That's 4 years program. And these are the 100 level courses to be registered. You're registering GST 105 because Business Administration is not a science program. You will not register GST 2 or 3 as well because GST 2 or 3 is for science programs. So here, that's why you're registering this course, and you are supposed to register all of them and pass all of them. That's why I'm saying there are 22 of 22. You cannot fail any course and let it go. If you fail any course, you retake it as carryover. Course registration, these are the costs based on the credit units. 3 credit units is 2,005, 2 credit units is 2,000 naira, and then the exam fee is flat 1,000 naira. So you register your courses and then register for exams, and you're good to go. And the cost of doing all this is 65,000. Your first compulsory fee is 36,000. From second semester onwards, it will be 18,000, no longer 36. That's how it works now. Then 100 level second semester, these are your courses. The courses you're supposed to register, and they're supposed to pass all of them as well. The same 3 credits units to 5, 2 credits units is 2,000 for course registration. They call it course registration. It's actually for the course material. You're paying for the course materials, and then exams is flat as well. The cost of all of this is for 7,000, which includes the compulsory 18,000 for the second semester. Then 200 level first semester, you have these courses to register. Like I said, you won't be registering GST 2 or 3 because this is not a science program. So only those offering science programs will register GST 2 or 3. You will have to carry all of them and pass all of them. The direct entry students will have to add GST 107 from 100 level. That's the only course they will pick from 100 level. And then this is an error, it's supposed to be 22 to 22 for adding 107. So if you added it, you will be adding 3,000 to this total amount, making it 47. If you didn't add it, then you will be paying 44,000. Then 200 level second semester, these are your courses for the second semester. You have a total of 18 credit units. If you have any carryover, if you had any carryover from previous semesters, you can bring them in here. There's a lot of space for you here. What if you failed all of them? It's just maybe one carryover or 2, so you can bring them in here. Don't allow yourself to be that weak to fail a lot. No. With past questions and other assistances, you can make it. So you have a total of 41,000 to pay for 200 level second semester. And 300 level first semester, these are your courses including GST 2 or 3, where you will write business plans and submit and present. Well, when the time comes in my groups, I lecture about it properly. Other things changes, so you must take it, and other ones too. However, you are only allowed to maybe fail one, not more than one. So then you will be paying 45,000 for registering all of them. You may register all of them to give you more opportunities, so that even if you it depends on the one you fail though. Especially not any of these 3 units. Not this English. So this is the only one you have the chance to fail. If you plan to fail this one, you ended up failing another one, or both, you will still be coming back to take it. So that's it. Then 300 level second semester, these are your courses. You have 19. You are required to pass a minimum of 19. If you pass all of them, it's good. It boosts your GP. Pass all of them, it will boost your GP. So you have 41,000 to pay for 300 level second semester. So welcome to your final year. 400 level first semester. These are your courses and these are your requirements. 20 units are required from here. And here's your material fees, your exam fees. A total of 45,000 is required of you from 400 level first semester. Then you have 400 level second semester, and these are your courses including your projects. You won't be paying for exams fees for projects. No exam fees. And it is a 6 units course. So if you had any carryover left, here is a good place to also add. You bring them in here. You have only 16 units here out of 24, so like 8 left. You can include them here, carry them all along and clear them. So total credits carried, credit units you've carried is 185. That's the number of credit units you've registered, and you are supposed to pass, which is total credits end, and the ones you're supposed to pass a minimum of 180. So if total credits end is 180, then you are a graduate. On next graduation list, you should see your name on it. If you have not, then you keep it going until you get to 180, until you pass the required 180. Which means you can only fail 2 courses, which are definitely not compulsory courses. So, then for direct entry it's 140. You are required to pass a minimum of 140 in order for you to graduate.